Hey guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some of my Amazon favorites with you guys. So with that being said, let's get started. So the number one thing that I've been loving recently, it's doing my own nails. I don't have any nails right now because I'm in the process of doing my nails. I haven't gone to the salon just to get acrylics in, I don't know, 2-3 years. I've been using press-ons. Trust me, it's a hit or miss, and there are some nails that I've been using that are really big on me, but finally I got the hang of it. So I bought this UV light. It's from Beetles, I think. Yeah, it's a Beetles gel polish, and I bought some gloves just to be safe. Everything that I mentioned, I'm going to be linking them down below. But yeah, the first one, it's this one, and this was very inexpensive. I think it was like under $30, and basically it comes with a gel and it looks like that. I also got this one. This is a protein bond. This is perfect if you want to add your press-ons, and you add this and it's gonna stay a little bit longer. So it comes with the USB right here, and you're gonna have your little lamp, and it's so cute. I already used this one, and honestly they lasted pretty good. They did snap off, but I didn't, prep them correctly, and it was my first time. Yeah, that's that. So yeah, this is very helpful. Like I said, I haven't gone to the salon to get acrylic in a long time, just because I hate sitting down, and there's sometimes that I want like rhinestones, I want like the design, I want like, you know what I mean. So everything that I do, it's according to my mood, and if I feel like doing, just simple nails, I don't want to spend too much on nails. I have my girls here, they're playing. It's not back to school yet, so I'm just letting them enjoy the time right now. Okay, anyways, in the subject of nails, I also got this nail prep hydrator. It's a primer and dehydrator set. So this one, it has the polish to dehydrate your nails before you put it in the UV light, and it comes with the primer as well. So it comes like this. So this one, it's the dehydrator, and then this one, it's the primer. I use both of these in conjunction with the Beetles UV light. So I mean, like I said, it's like a hit or miss, trial and error. Basically, this is going to be my second time, but I actually like it. Hopefully I can find a video that I did before I went on vacation doing my nails. It was a little bit not hard because it was pretty easy. So yeah, I've been loving press on nails, especially like if you want like the design and everything. Look on Etsy. And yeah, so finally, talking about nails, I ended up getting the Kiss, glue off instant removal. This one works good if you have the actual glue that comes with your press on nails and stuff like that, because I feel like when it comes with the UV light, it's a little bit harder to take off, and honestly I don't think it works that much. But if you have just regular glue, the nail glue, and your press-ons and stuff like that, this is good. I got two. I got the other one. I have the other one in my purse because I was taking my nails off in the airplane. So you do have to wait a little bit longer. You have to let it sit for a couple minutes, and then you just have to like scrape it off, and then that's good. Okay, the next one that I've been loving, it's the liquid fashion tape. It comes with a travel size. I have this with other stuff in my, in my luggage. Not in my luggage, but combined with other stuff. So that's why you see this, messiness. But just get a little bit of alcohol wipes and just, kind of like rub it. So what you do with this one is, if you have like straps falling off, you can add a little bit here, and then just your straps are gonna, kind of like stay in place. Now this one, keep in mind that it has a little bit of a strong smell. Yeah, so you might not like it, but overall it works. Say you have like a satin skirt or something like that, and the wind is blowing, I don't know, you add a little bit on your thigh, and you will be good to go. So the other one that I've been loving recently, it's this one. I've been taking this one almost every single trip that I go on, and it's just a light. You clip it on your phone, or just basically anywhere that you want like extra lighting, and this is how it looks like. So I do have natural lighting right now, so that's why it looks a little bit weird, but I like it honestly, and it's just so cool. And especially if you're filming TikToks and whatnot, it has like many different it has 2 buttons right here for less, there you go, see, less power and whatnot. So this is one of my favorite purchases. I think this was like $20, under $25 maybe. So yeah, this is it. You do have to charge it. It comes with the USB as well. So yeah, that's okay. So the other one, it's this one. This is the only one. This is the only light that I have. That's kind of like a studio light. I didn't want to get two because my space is really limited right now. It's very small, so I didn't want to get a lot of stuff. So right here you have to put the battery, and you have your on and on button right here, release this button right here. But what I've been liking recently is taking this on trips with me. You can actually just take it. You don't need like USB or anything like that to attach it in order to get power. You have the battery. As long as you charge it, it comes with two. Well, I bought two separate, I think. But yeah, and it's gonna give you like this luminous light, very, very strong. And yeah, it's gonna tell you like the power where right here. Yeah, I've been taking it for outside and stuff like that. People are just, you know, I have my husband holding it like this. Gives you like a bright luminous look if you want that type of look on Instagram or just in photos. Okay, the other one I've been loving, boot tape. I have two of these, but this one I use it for like low cut tops or dresses and stuff like that. It looks like that. Now with this, you do have to be careful because it stays on really good. In order to take it off, you do have to use some sort of lotion, a cream, oil, something along those lines. You can even use baby oil to remove this because it is very, very like harsh on your skin. This one in particular, it comes with the double-sided tape, and it's just strips of double-sided tape, and I like it because sometimes I like the dress that I'm wearing, but sometimes I don't know, I just don't feel that confident that day and I don't want to show too much, whatever the case may be. This one is awesome. I'm gonna also link it down below for you guys. And okay, one thing that I forgot to show you guys, it's this one. This is a scented cuticle oil. After you do your manicure and all that good stuff, I like to use this one, and it smells really, really good. This one comes with a little flower, but it just hydrates your cuticle. And this one, it's in the strawberry scent, and it smells really good. It smells like strawberry. So moving on to tinted lip balms. And I got this one. It's a wine lip tint, and this is the red one. It comes in 6 kind of like shades, but they're so cute because they look like that. I am missing one because one of them, it's in my travel makeup bag, but I always like to use these because my lips tend to be a little bit more pale. So I like to use a little bit of tint during the night and then add a little bit of, you know, kind of like lip oil, lip balm or something like that to hydrate my lips. But yeah, so let me show you. So you open it like that, and this is how it is. You leave it on for, I don't know, like a couple minutes, and then you can just wipe it off if you wanted to. But I like it for just, especially right now for summer, you just don't want to wear a lot of makeup. Okay, moving on, I love this little travel case, eyelash travel case. I have some eyelashes here, but I got this one from obviously Amazon a long time ago. I think I want to say like 2-3 years ago, and I've been using it almost every single time that I go on vacation. And I usually don't wear a lot of lashes on vacation unless, you know, that's the look I'm going for. So you can put 3 pairs of eyelashes right here. I put one on the top, make it a little bit more, and it's very compact. You can just throw it in your makeup bag and you're good to go. Okay, so talking about traveling, I ended up getting this travel perfume set. So basically what it is just you know, you put your perfume right here, your perfume scents and stuff like that. So it comes with the little gadgets, so you can pump out the perfume, and this is what it looks like. So basically you twist it, you can take this off, you can pump your favorite perfume if you wanted to, and you are good to go. Next up, I do love to tan, don't get me wrong. I do get tan pretty easily and burn pretty easily, like on its own, but going to the vacation, you know what I mean, I tend to be a little bit more paler, and I don't like that. So recently I discovered this brand. It's called Coco and Eve Sunny Honey. This one, it's in the color ultra tan, basically like a tanning mousse, and I love this one. It smells pretty good. It doesn't smell like overpowering or anything. It doesn't smell like coconut or anything like that. It smells kind of like fruity, if that makes sense. It comes with the mitt. I already used it, but it also comes with this brush, so you can use it like probably on your face or something like that, or well, I don't know if you can use it on your face because it's like a flat, you know, kabuki type of style. I did get tan pretty easily on just one use of this. This one has a little bit of an olive tint to it, so yeah, that's that. All right, so the other one, it's this one, roll-on wax, and I love this one. This is so good. I used the other one. The other one, it's in use right now. Did get the warmer, so you do have to warm these up and then work it. So this one comes in 2 packs, but you know, in total you get 4. Of course, with this you do have to get the waxing strips, so it is a little bit more of an extra cost, if I want to say, but at the end of the day it's worth it. I think it lasts a little bit longer than, you know, shaving. So I have insomnia. I cannot sleep. It's really difficult for me to go to sleep unless I'm really tired, but other than that, yeah, it's really hard for me to sleep. And I heard on TikTok about cherry tart juice, so I ended up getting it. I didn't read the instructions the first night, so I just poured a little bit of this and I just took it. Didn't do anything for me. I didn't, you know, I was a little bit like tired, like around 12 o'clock, 1 a.m. You have to mix it. So if you get this one, make sure you mix it, make sure you read the instructions before you buy anything. Always make sure you do your research, because you know it's really tough out there. But the second time around that I used it, I felt like so not tired but so sleepy, just kind of calm, and I was like, okay, I really like this one, so give it a try. It tastes very tart. But yeah, so this one, it's 100% cherry. Moving on, I have two pair of sunglasses that I've been loving recently, and I recently took them to my trip. Okay, so the first one, it's this one right here. These are some cool olive green sunglasses. They're perfect for right now. They're perfect for even fall, I think, because of the colors, and for like an all white look. For right now, for summer, this is perfect. For fall, you can make the olive green. It comes with your duster and the I call it the dust bag. I've been seeing everybody use these type of sunglasses. Honestly, I do like it. There are these right here. These are some cool sunglasses. They're in the color, what color is this? Kind of like goldish, yellow gold color. This was around, I want to say $50 or something like that. So okay, so I'm gonna put my link to my Amazon storefront, so you guys can check all the items out. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys very soon.